Oh, man, I ain't gonna lie. Hold up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That just kind of throwed me, bro. Y'all already notified Brad VTV2. You know what I'm saying? Tapping in. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bells. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to all my YouTube channels. Link in bio. You know what I'm saying? For different type of content. But yeah, y'all. Today we're gonna be doing a quick reaction on stolen dump truck plows into police. Arkansas State troopers. You know what I'm saying? Try to get this thing to stop. But without doing too much, we just gonna get straight into the video. So out the gate, y'all, just to make a quick little quick little output. So pretty much it's like this 29-year-old pretty much stole his ex-employer dump truck. Okay, bro, like he's just like having fun at this point, like swerving, but yeah, y'all, we're gonna fast forward a little bit, man. Get into, the interesting parts. See what's going on.
Ocean One, I copy turning on to diesel.
I'm gonna be primary on this district. That's a dump truck.
Talking to Kevin, they've got spike strips coming. Just let us know where he goes. We'll get spiked.
16 intermediate turns the gravel up here.
I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be really hard from what it's looking like to stop this dump truck, bro. Cause this dump truck is like, it's like a tank. You know what I'm saying? It's like an army tank, bro. Like, it's kind of like indestructible. Like, you need some type of you need some serious stuff to try to to get that dump truck to stop, bro. I don't know what they're gonna do. We gonna see though.
Taking request asking for their assistance, so they know we are asking for their assistance.
We're over, you want around?
Network sir. 104, you're going to pick up call on it, or 116? Adam unit is in the lead.
Adam unit in the lead, 116 is right behind it. 115, all units, the whole Fairview, starting to set right.
Well, he got that dump truck wide open.
It's not 1020.
We're south on Plummer Road.
19 set up, deep Plummer, Fairview. 116
Yeah, so we're gonna bring it up a little bit. We're gonna fast forward a little bit, man. Come up a little more, get some interesting parts. Uh-oh, what done happened now?
He's backing up in reverse, trying to run over the trooper.
He's trying to hit me with a rock.
Careful. Okay, go ahead, go down towards them.
So what it look like he trying to do, bro, is like he just made like a cloud of smoke, dirt smoke, just to try to like throw the cops' vision off, I guess. Throw off the vision of the cops so he could try to disappear. He definitely did a good job too. So it's looking like he pretty much got away now. We're gonna fast forward a little more, man. See where he went at. Like he got up out of there a little bit, y'all. So it's like this chase is kind of like lasting a minute though, because it's like they caught back up to him right up in here. So they back on the main road.
Highway 89 set up around Interstate 40.
Passing cars in opposite lane, southbound coming up on Carlo. Yeah, he's running cars off the road, passing in the northbound lane.
Maybe turn in my ear for what?
Westbound 294.
So yeah, is there any way we can switch the tank channel?
Sir, I can get you a Mac channel if everybody can thankfully turn to it.
See, one thing about it, bro, he's not gonna get away from that Charger, this big V8 the troopers in. Not with that dump truck, bro. You feel me? He not gonna escape like that. He'll have to have like an airplane mode or something in there. But we gonna fast forward a little more, y'all. Try to get to the interesting parts. Oh, hold up now. Gonna back it up a little bit.
Way out of the way.
Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. Hold up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That just kind of throwed me, bro. Bro, that spooked me though, y'all. I don't even know what to say, y'all. Like real talk. Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Let me run that back real quick, bro. That one right there. Hold up.
Get away from your car. Get over to the side somewhere. Way out of the way.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I knew it was something because if you look at the dogs like kind of ran away like a second before that dump truck hit this trooper car, bro. The dogs knew what was happening, bro. Dogs be smart, bro. Like real talk. He probably crushed his whole car though. Like that's crazy.
Hey, one all units, take him out.
I'm not gonna lie, he knocked that boy into like the almost into the ground with that dump truck, bro. We gotta run that one back one more time, bro. This is a different view right here. Bro, what in the world? Hold up, bro. We gotta run that one back, y'all. Boy!
He just totaled out 58 unit.
Yeah, he definitely totaled it out.
Units advising they just hit him. Confirm they just hit your unit.
So this must be another view right here, though. This got to be another view. Oh my God, bro! Look at that car, bro. Bro, look at the car. Why would he even like sit in front of a fleeing dump truck, thinking this guy gonna stop? He asked for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie. He really that cop asked for that. Why would you sit in front of a fleeing and looting dump truck? That thing made a straight steal, bro. Like. That's crazy, boy. Like that's crazy.
Get total out 58 unit. Total out 58 unit.
Hey, one all units, take him out.
Now they talking about take him out. That made him mad right there.
I'm secondary.
Hey, you guys, when I get opportunity, I'm gonna try to shoot his motor out with a shotgun. So just be prepared.
6-1.
I wonder how did this end. Let's go to the ending part, y'all, because seems like this guy put them through real life hell. Okay, so like right up in here.
I shot his front right tire out.
Yeah, so his tire is kind of like blowed out, I guess. So yeah, y'all. So as we can pretty much see, man, it's pretty much over with at this point, bro. Like it's definitely over with. This guy pretty much took the police through hell with this dump truck. You feel me? Like real talk, bro. Like this was a crazy one right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to see the uncut and uncensored videos, y'all become a member of my Patreon. You feel me? Link in bio also. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this reaction video, y'all. We pretty much gonna go from there.